Chapter 2 Prime Numbers GCD and LCM. An integer a is multiple of integer b if there exists an integer n such that a is equal to b multiplied by n. For example, 27 is equal to 3 multiplied by 9, so 27 is a multiple of 3 and 27 is a multiple of 9. Okay? Also b is the divisor of a, and if a non-zero number then n is the divisor of a. For example, a b of if the divisor of a, so if a is equal to b multiplied by n. Okay? Zero is a multiple of any number. Zero is a multiple of any number. Any number, zero is a multiple of zero. And 1 is the divisor of any number. 1 is the divisor of any number. 20 is divided by 1. 4, 5, 6 is divided by 1. Any number is divided by 1. A number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For example, 12, 18, 36, 460. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all its digits is divisible by 3. For example, 531, because 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, plus 1 is equal to 9, 9 is divisible by 3. And a second example, 720, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 0, 9 is divisible by 3. And a number is divisible by 9 is the sum of all its digit is divisible by 9. For example, 576, or 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, plus 6 is equal to 18 is divisible by 9. Second example, 171, 1 plus 7 is equal to 8, plus 1 is equal to 9, so 9 is divisible by 9. So this is the result. A number is divisible by 9 is divisible by 3 because 9 is divisible by 3. Any number is divisible by 9, it's divisible by 3. An integer is divisible by 5 if it's end by 0 or 5. Any number end by 0 or 5 is divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 4 if the number of formed by its last 2 digits from right is divisible by 4. For example, 524. 24 is divisible by 4, so 524 is divisible by 4. 504 is divisible by 4, so this is richtig. This is correct. An integer is called prime if it admits only 2 divisor 1 and itself. Any number admit 2 divisor 1 and itself, it's called prime number. Any number. 3, 5 and 7 are prime numbers, but 12 is not a prime number, because 12 is divisible by 2, is divisible by 4, is divisible by 6, is divisible by... Okay? 0 and 1 are not prime number. 0 and 1 are not prime numbers. How to find a number is a prime or no, or not? Divide successively the given number by the prime number 2, 3, 5, 7 till you reach to a quotient less than or equal to the divisor. Okay, I divide successively by prime number 2, 3, 5, 7. If I find the quotient is less than the divisor or equal, so this number is prime. dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Okay. Decomposition of a number into its prime factor. 60 is equal 3 multiplied by 20 is equal 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5 is equal 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 of exponent 2. Okay. Greatest common divisor or greatest common factor, GCD or GCF. The greatest common number that divide at the same time two integer a and b is called GCD of a and b, is noted by GCD a of a b. Okay, how to calculate the GCD of 12 and 80? First method, the divisor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. All this number divide 12, and the divisor of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. The common divisor are 1, 2, 3, 6, but the greatest common is 6. Okay, so the GCD of 12 and 80 is 6 because 6 is the greatest common factor. Second method, I decompose 12 and 80 to prime factor. 12 is equal to of exponent 2 multiplied by 3, and 18 is equal 9 multiplied by 2 is equal 3 of exponent 2 multiplied by 2. GCD of 12 and 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 because we take the common factor with their least exponent. We take the common factor with their least exponent. 2 of exponent 2 and 2 we take 2. 3 and 3 of exponent 2 we take 3. We take common factor of their least exponent. If the GCD of two numbers is 1, then the two numbers are called relatively prime. Relatively prime if the two numbers are GCD of two numbers are equal 1. If GCD of two numbers are equal 1, so these two numbers are called relatively prime. Okay. 8 and 9 are relatively prime. Least common multiple of two integer a and b is called LCM of a and b, noted by LCM of a and b. The least common multiple. Okay, least common multiple. How to calculate the LCM of 6 and 8? First method, the multiple of 6 is 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. The multiple of 8, 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 or 48. The common multiple are 24, 48, but the least common multiple is the of 6 and 8 is the 24. Second method, 6 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2, and 8 is equal to 2 of exponent c. The LCM of 6 and 8 is 2 of exponent c multiplied by 3 if is equal to 24, because we take all factor common with the highest exponent for the common factor. We take all factor with the highest exponent for factor common. GCD of a and b multiplied by LCM of I and b is equal a multiplied by b. Okay, GCD of two number multiplied by LCM of two number is equal multiply two number a and I multiply by b. In case the two numbers are relatively prime, their LCM is their product. Because GCD is equal and GCD of two numbers multiplied by LCM of two numbers is equal A multiplied by B. So if the two numbers relatively prime, so GCD is equal to 1. So LCM of two numbers is equal multiply the two numbers. Okay?